Home bartenders, it's officially peach season, so we need to make refreshing peach cocktails like this Bermuda cocktail using our homemade peach liqueur and a local potato gin. So we need gin, we need peach liqueur, peach schnapps, orange juice, grenadine. Let's make it. So 2 ounces of gin is going in. I'm using a local potato gin. It's awesome gin. After that, homemade peach liqueur. Check out that recipe or use whatever peach schnapps, peach liqueur you have. We need half an ounce of that. After that, we need half an ounce of orange juice. Freshly squeezed is best. This is not, but whatever. And then 1/4 ounce of homemade grenadine. If you got that neon stuff, I'm sure it'll work just fine. Look at that, it even looks like a peach. All right, get some ice in there, get that top on, flippy move, shaky shake, and smash it to release. We're gonna dump this one in a stemmed glass, doesn't really matter. Coupe or Nick and Nora, whatever you got. Okay, and for garnish, a nice peach slice. If you're finding me for the first time, guys, and you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this or more liqueurs like that, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Let's taste the Bermuda cocktail. Very refreshing. I do think, if you guys know me, you know that I'm not a huge fan of orange juice in cocktails. If I were to fix up this cocktail, I would maybe remove the orange, add a little bit of lemon juice, and then maybe up the peach liqueur to 3/4 ounce. So maybe half ounce of lemon, 3/4 ounce of peach, and then leave the rest the same. The grenadine adds a nice sweetness there. The peach does come through even with the orange, but I'm missing some tartness, some acidity. Other than that though, very clean tasting, very refreshing. This is nice. And that gin, my God, it's got like a minty quality to it. This is a really nice gin. If you want to learn how to make my peach liqueur, check out that video. Also check out other peach cocktails that you can make using your homemade peach liqueur or any peach liqueur that you may have. Check out one of those videos and we will see you in the next one. Cheers.